Welcome to Review Rumble. The best St Tropez Bronzing Mousse is probably one of the most sought-after self-tanning products on the market, promising a natural-looking, streak-free glow in as little as an hour, making it an ideal choice for those last-minute events or when you simply crave a sun-kissed complexion without the sun's harmful rays. This innovative formula is designed to be lightweight and quick-drying, ensuring a comfortable application process and a beautiful, even tan that develops gradually, allowing you to control the depth of your color. Number 5. B.TAN Ultra Dark Self Tanner Mousse. Are you ready for a tan that's darker than dark? I'm here to give you the deepest, most intense color you've ever imagined. Achieving an amazing tan has never been easier. Forget the fake tan smell, I deliver a beautiful, dark tan with no fuss. In just 1 hour, I start developing your gorgeous tan. For even deeper results, simply leave me on for 4 hours or more. For a flawless finish, moisturize dry areas like elbows and knees before applying. Blend me in thoroughly, and for the smoothest application, use a tanning mitt. I'm proud to be kind to animals. I'm completely vegan, cruelty-free, and free from harmful parabens, so you can feel good about using me. Crafted by tanning experts in the USA, I'm made with only the highest quality ingredients. Your skin will be well cared for with every application. What we like? If you're looking for the absolute darkest tan possible, this is your go-to. It offers incredibly deep results in just 1 hour, with no unpleasant fake tan smell. Choose this if you want to achieve an intensely dark, natural-looking glow quickly and without any artificial odors. What people say. The mousse is lightweight and easy to apply, providing a streak-free finish. It develops into a natural-looking tan within 1 to 3 hours, depending on desired depth. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering, unlike some other self-tanners. Number 4. B.TAN Violet Self Tanner Kit. Get ready to experience a tan like never before. This bundle offers everything you need for a flawless application and a beautiful glow. Our dark tanning mousse provides a rich, deep color. The included mitt ensures a smooth, streak-free application every time. Need a tan in a hurry? This express foam develops a gorgeous bronzed look in just 1 hour, perfect for when you're short on time. Achieve the ultimate bronzed glow without any unpleasant fake tan odor. Enjoy a natural-looking tan that smells as good as it looks. Say goodbye to unwanted orange tones. Our violet-based formula ensures a natural, beautiful tan that complements your skin tone perfectly. Feel good about your tan. This product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can achieve a beautiful glow with peace of mind. What we like? If you're worried about achieving an orange hue, this product is perfect for you. Its violet undertones ensure a natural, bronzed glow without any brassiness, and it even comes with a mitt for easy application. Opt for this if you desire a natural-looking tan that avoids the dreaded orange tone. What people say. The St Tropez Self-Tan Express Bronzing Mousse is a popular choice for achieving a natural-looking tan. It is known for its lightweight formula that absorbs quickly into the skin, minimizing the risk of streaks or patches. The express nature of the mousse allows users to rinse off after as little as 1 hour for a light glow, 2 hours for a medium tan, or 3 hours for a deep, bronze finish. Number 3. B.TAN Ultra Long Lasting Self Tanner Kit. Get ready for a tan that lasts. This kit is designed to give you a beautiful, dark sunless tan that stays with you for up to 11 days. Say goodbye to frequent tanning sessions. With this kit, you can achieve a longer-lasting tan than ever before, all from the comfort of your home. It includes our best-selling mitt for effortless application. You'll be able to create the most amazing, dark tan you've ever seen. We care about what goes on your skin. This product is 100% vegan and free from harmful ingredients like parabens. And because we love animals, it's also 100% cruelty-free. Enjoy a gorgeous tan with peace of mind. Need a tan in a hurry? The express foam works fast, delivering a beautiful color in just 1 hour. Plus, there's no unpleasant fake tan smell. What we like? If you want a tan that lasts significantly longer than usual, this is the one. It promises a dark tan that can last up to 11 days, meaning you can skip frequent touch-ups. Consider this if you're looking for a low-maintenance, extended tan that keeps you glowing for over a week. What people say. This is a great self-tanner that gives a natural-looking glow. It is easy to apply and dries quickly, leaving no streaks. The color develops in just a few hours and lasts for several days. Number 2. Coco and Eve's Sunny Honey Bali Bronzing Mousse, Dark. Achieve a beautiful, natural-looking golden glow without streaks or blotches. Our unique formula provides a sun-kissed look with no orange tones, offering full skincare benefits. This lightweight mousse delivers an instant bronze glow that develops into a long-lasting tan in just 2 hours. It hydrates, blurs imperfections, and improves signs of aging with powerful natural antioxidants. Enjoy a tropical mango and guava fragrance that transports you to an island escape. Say goodbye to the unpleasant biscuit smell and get ready to rock that tan glow. Our non-sticky formula is easy to apply by hand and doesn't transfer onto clothes or bedding. Shower after 2 hours or sleep in it for a deeper tan. Formulated with only the highest quality natural ingredients, it moisturizes your skin while giving you a stunning beach babe glow. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and toxin-free. Each bottle provides approximately 10 to 20 full body tanning sessions, ensuring you can maintain your beautiful tan for an extended period. What we like. If you prioritize natural ingredients and skincare benefits in your self-tan, this is an excellent choice. It uses 100% natural DHA and is infused with nourishing ingredients to hydrate and perfect your skin, all while smelling like a tropical escape. Choose this if you want a tan that not only looks good but also feels good for your skin. What people say. The formula goes on smoothly and blends effortlessly, leaving no streaks or patchiness. It dries quickly, doesn't feel sticky, and has a pleasant scent, no overpowering self-tanner smell. The color develops beautifully into a natural-looking, sun-kissed glow without any orange tones. It also lasts for days, about 8 days before I reapplied, and fades evenly, so there's no weird blotchiness as it wears off. It applies easily with a light tint to help you see where you've covered. It applies evenly when using a mitt and face brush, with no streaks or awkward darker patches or anything. It dries quickly and I haven't had any problem with it transferring, though I do wear dark loose clothes for a few hours just in case. Number 1. B.TAN Insanely Dark Clear Self-Tan Gel. Experience our silky smooth tanning gel that glides on like a dream. It blends seamlessly and absorbs almost instantly, letting you get going and glowing with your day. Our advanced clear tanning gel formula means no transfer onto clothes or stained sheets. Enjoy a clear express tan that goes on clear with no rinse required. This ultimate hydrating self-tanner is packed with hyaluronic acid to retain moisture and vitamin C for extra glowy results. It keeps your skin hydrated and radiant. Achieve insanely dark, natural-looking tan results on all skin types and tones. It develops in as little as 1 hour, or leave it on longer for deeper color. Self-tanning has never been easier. Simply pump a small amount, blend thoroughly, wash your hands, and you're ready to glow. Proudly made in the USA by tanning experts. Our state-of-the-art facilities use only the highest quality ingredients to ensure your skin is well looked after. What we like. If you hate the idea of self-tan transferring onto your clothes or sheets, this clear gel is a game changer. Its advanced formula absorbs instantly and dries clear, meaning zero transfer. Pick this if you need a convenient, mess-free tanning solution that also deeply hydrates your skin. What people say. This gel is the perfect middle ground. Not thick and sticky, not watery and messy. It spreads easily and evenly, especially with a tanning mitt, which I always recommend no matter the formula. It glides on smoothly and blends without effort. It goes on completely clear, which means no guide color, no stained sheets, and no awkward "don't touch me" phase. It dries fairly quickly too. I was dry enough in about 10 minutes to throw on loose sweats and go about my evening. This develops fast. Within 20 to 30 minutes, I could already see color starting to come through. By about 5 to 6 hours later, I had a deep, sun-kissed bronze that looked natural and even. No streaks. No orange tones. Just a rich glow that leaves my skin feeling hydrated. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.